Welcome to Spandy Way. In this video, we will see how to cook chicken keema balls. Chicken keema balls is an easy chicken starters recipe. Quick, flavorful and tasty dish to impress your loved ones. We will see how to prepare chicken keema balls in 3 steps. Step 1. Mix. Take a bowl, add minced chicken, onions, green chilies and red chilies paste. Now add cashew nut powder, garam masala, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste and oil. Mix them well. Step 2. Roll. Take some mixture into the hand and roll to small sized balls. If you are unable to make stick balls out of the mixture, add some rice or corn flour to the mixture. Step 3. Fry. Take a pan, heat the oil and turn the flame to medium to low. Add the roll balls one by one to the pan for deep fry. Don't overcrowd the pan. Stir and fry chicken keema balls until golden brown and crisp. Remove to a colander. Fry the rest of the chicken keema balls in batches. Chicken keema balls taste good with mayonnaise, ketchup or green chutney. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.